Hey everyone, it's Ed from the Flying Stampede, and now that the weather's getting nicer and spring is in the air, we're all going and we're doing more flying. But another great thing to do, other than just go beat around the pattern and go get a $100 hamburger, is inspiring other aviators, specifically young aviators. A program that's near and dear to my heart is the Young Eagles program through EAA. I actually got my very first flight ever as a Young Eagle back in June 18th of 1997 in Glasstar 231 Yankee Echo, which as of 2 or 3 years ago was still giving Young Eagles rides. So it's very near and dear to my heart, and this weekend I decided to give back and do some Young Eagles flights with my local EAA chapter, 838 of Racine, Wisconsin. I found a very fun young future aviator that reminded me a little bit of myself. His name is Lucas, and he actually builds model aircraft with his dad, much like I did when I was a kid. So Lucas and I went up in my 1950 Piper Pacer, and we did a little bit of flying around Wisconsin. And he's just a neat kid, and we did some video together and did a little bit of interview. And I hope that you enjoy the flight with Lucas and I. If you're interested in giving back to the Young Eagles program, I highly suggest that you go to EAA, join a local chapter, and give back to the aviation community and help inspire future aviators. We're the ones that can inspire the younger generation to become pilots and to be part of the aviation community. It's such a rewarding experience for me, and I hope that it would be a rewarding experience for you too. So come along with Lucas and I as we go flying around Wisconsin, and I hope you enjoy our flight together.
My favorite airplane is probably the 747, just because it's big and it's jet and it's pretty cool. planes. Some balsa, some out of foam. They usually, after a couple flights, get a scrunch nose syndrome, which is the nose should be like this with the engine and all that stuff all neatly straight. Sometimes the engine enters the wing, which is not ideal, but it's still fun.
What's your favorite model airplane that you have?
Oh, I build all mine. They don't really have names per se. They're always my favorite ones. Combat planes are just like you fly and you cut the other person's streamer, and sometimes it goes wrong in that you hit the other airplane, but it's all in good fun because these planes take like 2 hours to build. And all the electronics you can just take. This plane is junk. You take the electronics out and put it into the other one, and then it's not junk anymore. So yeah, it's very fun.
Awesome.
This flight went, it was great. There's quite a bit of turbulence, but that's fine. I've had turbulence before on commercial flights, so it's nothing new. It was really fun.
Do you want to be a pilot when you grow up?
Yes.
Get a little bit older?
Yeah, I definitely want to be a pilot.
Cool.